Hello, everybody. This time, I would like to discuss about the DNR Self-Monitoring Report, Module 4, and it pertains to the Republic Act 8749. Our compliance to the requirements of RA 8749, the activities involving compliance to RA 8749. And I hope this will be all worthwhile to all of you. And let us use the information in our preparation of self-monitoring report for submission to DNR EMB. As shown on the screen is the self-monitoring report online. And we have here the module 4 for the self-monitoring report. And here we are providing information of the air pollution source equipment or air pollution control facilities, the record cost of treatment, and the detailed report of air emission characteristics. So when we fill up this module 4, those establishments issued with permit to operate under RA 8749, the activities of the air pollution source equipment shall be provided here. So the important information of the operation of the air pollution source equipment or control facilities shall be provided here. As shown on the screen is a sample of a permit to operate. And here we have the permit to operate of one unit of 72 kilowatts AC powered diesel engine generator set. Now, we will be giving information to EMB Regional Office to this Module 4 about the operation of the generator set as reflected in the permit. So, using the Module 4 to give the information of the operation of the equipment. So, process equipment, and this refers to the non-fuel burning equipment, like fuel storage tanks. If we do have fuel storage tank included in our permits, we can indicate here the location and the hours of operation for the quarter. So since we have the permit to operate for generator set only, so this is not applicable. And here we have the fuel burning equipment. So we provide the name of the equipment. We have the standby generator set, AC power, and the rated capacity of 72 kilowatts. And the location, like in front of admin building. The fuel used, for example, diesel, and the quantity consumed for the quarter. So kung ito ay fourth quarter covering the period or the months October, November, December. And the number of hours of operations of this equipment for the quarter covering the months of October, November, December. So for example, we have an operation, total number of operation of 3 hours and 0.1 metric ton. We have also the pollution control facility, which is intended for those equipment with emissions that is higher than the standard set by the DNR. So there's a need for pollution control devices to reduce the concentration to comply with the standard set by DNR. But since this is only a standby generator, then we shall indicate no pollution control facility. So we can just put not applicable. But those who have pollution control devices for their air pollution source installation, pollution control devices like baghouse filter, wet scrubbers, then we shall indicate the name of that pollution control device, the location, and the number of hours of operation for the quarter. But in this case, not applicable because generator set has no pollution control devices. And record cost of treatment for those establishment with pollution control devices. And the record cost of treatment, the expenses for the quarter. Now we have here the operator, cost of person employed, total consumption of water, total cost of chemicals, total consumption of electricity, administrative and overhead cost, cost of operating in-house laboratory, improvement or modification, cost of improvement or modification. So assuming we have pollution control facility, we have pollution control devices, let us indicate the cost of person employed. If there are about three operators, three employees for the operation of the pollution control facility, we just indicate the cost and with respect to the number of employees. So for example, per employee, we have 10,000. So if we have three employees, then the cost is 30,000 per month. The total water consumption. So for example, since this is in cubic meter, then we have here the uh, 5 cubic meter. But since this is a record of cost of treatment, I would suggest that this will be a cost. So if there are 5 cubic meters consumed in a month and you have the applicable rate for water per cubic meter, we can translate that water consumption to cost. So for example, per cubic meter or per 10 cubic meter is 10 pesos or 100 pesos. Can indicate here per 10 cubic meters. So this is 5 can estimate the cost. So if for 10 cubic meter you have 100 pesos, since this is 5, which is the um, half of the minimum, till the cost is 100. The total cost of chemicals, if we are using chemicals as part of the treatment process, so if not applicable, then put not applicable. Total consumption of electricity in kilowatt hour, and then what is the cost? So for example, we have 5,000, and then administrative and overhead costs if there are any administrative costs like repair, um, maintenance. So we can just indicate there. Cost of operating in-house laboratory if there are costs for purchasing reagents, for purchasing laboratory apparatus during the period. If there are no cost, then put zero there. Then improvement or modification, if any. If there is none, put not applicable. And then cause of improvement or modification. If there is none, put not applicable. Then if we are required to conduct air emission testing, then we shall provide the result indicated in the result of laboratory analysis issued by the EMB accredited laboratory. But for our example, which is a standby generator set, which is not required to conduct testing, you can just put not applicable there. And since here we can just put number, you cannot put not applicable, you can just type 0. Then that's it. That's the module 4 of the self-monitoring report. Thank you very much for listening.